Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 7 in Microsoft Excel, and today we are going to be starting with working with multiple worksheets in Excel. Alright, now every workbook in Excel has at least one worksheet. This one, it will always have at least one sheet. When you open a new workbook, it will always have at least one sheet. Now if you want to now you may want to do your work in multiple worksheets, maybe January, February, March. So there's a way that you can insert new worksheet. You simply click on this plus, so it will say new sheet. So you simply click on it, so that will create new sheet for you. So all right, so now that is that when you click on this plus, it will create the new sheet for you. So that is how to insert new sheet. Now you can copy this particular sheet. When you click on a sheet, maybe you need this kind of design, you can copy and make a copy of it. So how do you do that? You simply click on the sheet. You click on the sheet, then you right click and say move or copy. So when you click on move or copy, you select where you want it to be placed, before which sheet. If you want it in before sheet 2 or before sheet 3, so you simply say create copy. Then you click on OK, and that will create. I've created sheet 2, then it will show sheet 2. You can see this is the copied one that I created, and this is the sheet 2, the real sheet 2. I've selected it now, and this is the copied one that I created. So they are the same. You can see the same design, the same function, the same things that I entered, the same data that I enter. So that is for copying a worksheet. Don't forget to make a new worksheet. You click on this plus sign to create a new worksheet. Then to copy or make a copy of worksheet, you simply right click, then you say move or copy. You select the sheet that you want to make copy of, then you say right click, move or copy, then you select where you want before which sheet. So you select the sheet you want it to be before, or you say move to an end, then you click on create a copy, then you OK it. I hope you understand that. Now let's not talk about how you can rename a worksheet. So let's say this is sheet 1, so you want to rename it. You select it and right click, then you can say rename. So you can rename this one to January. You can rename January like that. So the same thing. You can do for sheet 2. You right click, you select it, then right click rename, or you simply click twice. When you click twice on it, you will be able to rename it. I hope you understand that. So that is how to rename a worksheet. Now you can move this worksheet around. You can move them around. You simply select the one you want to move, then you hold your left click, then you move it to anywhere you want it to be. So you move it, you hold your left click on it, then you move it to where you want it to be. So then when you reach the place you want to, you release it. And again, you can change the color of your worksheet. By right clicking. You right click, then you say tab color, then you choose the color that you want. You see, let's change this one. Then you select another one, then you say tab color. Choose the color that you want. Say the next one, you say tab color, you choose the color that you want. You use it so like that. You can change the color of different worksheet for your workbook. Now we can delete any worksheet we don't want by selecting it. Then you do what? You select the one that you want to delete. You right click and say delete. See, right click, delete. So that is how to delete your worksheet. Any sheet you don't want, you can delete it. Now let's now talk about switching between your worksheets. Now, for example, you may have a lot of